Okay, so this isn't exactly a product tutorial channel or anything like that, but I recently invested in the Osmo Mobile 2 from DJI. It's a smartphone gimbal, much like lots of the other smartphone gimbals out there. I went with the DJI just because of the trusted name, and I really like the Osmo Mobile 1. Yeah, so anyway, it's not a product review channel. I got the Osmo Mobile 2. The other thing that I got was the new Moment lenses, and this thing is heavy. I think it was a little over 72 grams, and the reason I know that is because getting that on here and balancing it was definitely an issue. Moment has their own gimbal counterweight that's coming out, but it doesn't come out until June. I wanted to use this now, and I need to figure out a hack. Now, I've seen a whole bunch of different DIY solutions on YouTube. I've seen people gluing quarters to the side of this thing, all kinds of random things, but I needed something that easily came on and off, kind of like clamped on. At first I was thinking binder clips, and then I wrapped some Velcro around it and Velcroed a carabiner on there, but it just looked terrible. After a little bit of trial and error, I remembered that I think I had a couple things that I could sort of hobble together to make this work. So I shoot my Instagram stories with a friction arm. Friction arm gives you a lot of versatility. You can hook onto basically whatever you want. And on this friction arm was a hot shoe adapter. Now this will go on to your camera mount, obviously. Really, I guess it's a cold shoe, hot shoe, I don't know. But there's a whole bunch of these little guys that screw on to your 1/4" mount. I also had a newer stand adapter available to me. Now, this guy has a 1/4" hole here. It will clamp in, much like a you know, the clamp at the bottom of your camera mount or your tripod mount. This will clamp on, and then also you can screw this down. So what I did on the Osmo was I clamped it on to there. I didn't crank it down because I didn't want to mess up the plastic too bad, but it's on here. And now whenever I need to use my gimbal with the Moment lens, I can just go ahead and screw this right in, just like so. It's on there, it's not going anywhere. And it's real easy to balance that up. Now with the Moment lens on here, you're a little bit off, but once she gets turned on, it's really able to handle the weight pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with this solution. You can pick up all this stuff on Amazon. The cold shoe, hot shoe adapters, they come in a pack of 5 for like $6 or $7. I only, at the time, wanted to get 1 or 2, and it was only like $1 less, and I was really happy that I ended up having these around the house when I needed it. You can buy what I'm using as the counterweight also in like a 5-pack for $7 or $8, but I think you're better off going and just getting the friction arm. It'll come with a couple of these adapters on here. I don't know what that sound was. I think you're better off just going with the friction arm. It'll come with a couple of these adapters, and you'll also have the friction arm, and then all you'll need to do is get one of these hot shoe adapters. So all in, we're talking about maybe 20 bucks. You'll have a counterweight for your gimbal. You'll also have another arm to mount things with. So cool little shots, you'll be able to get those with this, but I think that's the best way to go. Anyway, links are below, so just check those out on Amazon. Please buy them through the link and I get a little bit. Hey, by the way, if you like this channel, please subscribe, give me a like down below, or leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you.